Good morning. Hey, folks, this is Wesley Virgin here. And give me a second here. So, great morning here. Hey, this morning here, I want to talk about how to set yourself apart like the rich. When you're broke, when you're poor, when you're average, how to make that transition. You guys, if you don't know who I am, I'm Wesley Virgin here. Born and raised in Houston, Texas, on the south side of Houston, Texas. And through adversity, challenges, and vicissitudes, I became a self-made millionaire. And now I use this platform to give you advice. Educate, not to motivate. Let me get that clear. I'm here to educate you, okay? I'm not here to motivate you. I'm here to educate you about the things that you can do right now in this moment here, okay, to become very independently wealthy. So check it out. So how do you set yourself apart? Because a lot of you right now, you know, I get it. You're not making six figures. How many of you are making under six figures right now? Okay. How many of you, you have a business, but it's not making any money to the point that you're able to take care of your needs, your wants, and your desires? Okay. And that's probably everybody here. And what I want to do is give you what I did before I made the money. Okay, so pay attention here. I did this before I was making millions of dollars. I did this before I had the fancy cars here. I had this before the jewelry, before the travel. And these are habits. These are things that you do. And guess what? They don't cost a dime. Okay, but it's very important, if you ever want to be wealthy, is to set yourself apart. Okay, I'm driving, so that's why I'm looking left and right here. It's important to set yourself apart from the masses here. And you don't need money to do this, by the way. And I learned this, I think at the age of 29, I began to do things that are a little bit different here. So listen, number one, have some type of exercise regimen, okay? Because that's different from the masses, you know. And the masses amount of people, unfortunately, they don't work out. They don't go to the gym. They don't push-ups. They don't run. They don't do anything for their bodies. And listen, I want you to write this down. Most people don't do well because they don't feel well. So your body, and when you exercise, is connected to and how you function in life, okay? Like right now, I'm headed to the gym. I'm gonna work on legs here, okay? We're working on these legs, folks. But I work out 5 times a week. And let me tell you why. Because it was important when I had no money to separate myself from the masses. The masses amount of people are overweight, they're out of shape, their bodies look ridiculous. It's just the truth. So that's one. 2, you have to be very conscious of what you're putting in your body, okay? Like I'm driving a 4x4 G-Wagon right now. And sure, I can go to the gas pump or the gas station and I can put in unleaded, okay, 83 octane. But it's not going to run at its best. So what I do, I put in 93 octane, okay? Because I want it to run phenomenally, okay? I want it to run on a very above standard level. Well, that's the same thing with your body here. A lot of you constantly complain to me, Wesley, I don't have any energy. I'm tired. I mean, I know 21-year-olds that are tired, which is absolutely insane here. Listen, whatever you put in your body, okay, it's going to be a projection outside of you. Okay, so if you want energy, one, drink water. I mean, I drink a ton of water a day. I don't drink soda pop, okay? I typically drink green drinks such as celery, smoothies, fruits, blueberries, raspberries, like every single day here. It's important. If you want to look young, you see that, you notice I have this glow right now, right? Now, that's just not the filter. It's the glow, right? It's because of what I put in my body. Okay, so that's 2 here. Number 3 is how you set yourself apart. Stop going to poor places. Now, what do I mean by that? Listen, I get it. Walmart and Wally World has everything that you want on the planet. I get it. It's a great store to go to because everything is inexpensive and cheap. But unfortunately, poor and average people go here. Like for a year, don't go to Walmart, okay? For a year, don't go to the 99-cent store, the dollar store. Why? Because you got to separate yourself from that environment. And it doesn't cost any money to do this, right? I want you to refrain of going to places that poor and average people go, okay? In Walmart, the dollar store, that's the few places where I would stop going like today, okay? Let me give you more. It's important to always look your best, okay? Now listen, I'm just telling you what I did. Always look your best. And it doesn't matter if you're going to the gym. It doesn't matter if you're going to the mailbox. Always, like, have a habit or have an intention that you will always look your best when you leave your house, okay? Am I making sense here? Let me give an example. Like, I'm going to the gym. Well, make sure you look sharp. Make sure your gym clothes are clean. Make sure you don't have dirty shoes. There's nothing worse than dirty shoes. And I don't care if you're going to the gym. Listen, unless you just came back from a mud bath, okay? It is no reason why you should have dirty shoes in the gym, okay? At all. No dirty shoes. Never, okay? Make sure when you go to the gym, you smell good. You know, some of you, oh, Jesus. I'm going to Equinox now, right? It's my new gym. And, oh, man, this one guy, smells like ass. I mean, whoa! That young man just stunk. And listen, he might say, well, I'm in the gym, man. I mean, that's normal. No, absolutely not. It's important to smell good and look good even at the gym, okay? Even if you're going to the grocery store, look your best. Why? Because it sets you apart from everybody else. See, people don't think that way. They just say, well, I'm just going to the gym. I'm just going to the park. I'm just going here. It's not a big deal. But if you're the person that wherever you go, your hair looks good, your nails look great, right? Make sure your lips are not crusty, teeth are white. That's another one. Well, people start to see you differently from the masses. And that goes back to the teeth, like the teeth. Now, this is big here. Listen, braces are not that expensive anymore, and you can get some white strips to make sure your teeth are white. It's nothing worse of seeing a person with crusty teeth or teeth that are not white. Now listen, I learned this the hard way. About a decade ago, I'm gonna be personal here. I was talking to this young lady. She was gorgeous, right? Because you know me, I want to date the gorgeous woman. That's it. Listen, so she was a white girl too, and she was like, you ever get your teeth whitened? I said, why do I need to? She said, yeah. And I thought my teeth was amazing, but it wasn't. I needed to go to the dentist and get my teeth whitened, right? Because I thought my smile was amazing, but in comparison to other people, well, there's a different shade of white. And unfortunately, I had a dull white on my teeth. And a lot of you, when you look at your smile, you have a dull white smile, right? It's like, it's not really white, it's kind of like off-white. And I'm not talking about the brand. So, listen, you don't have to go to the dentist and get your teeth white. You can get white strips for like $70. Put them in your mouth to make sure, because see, the first thing that people look at, even from males and females, they look at your smile, your teeth. So fix that. If you can't fix that, you know, maybe you're not the prettiest, or maybe you're not the most handsomest individual here, but take care of your teeth, all right? Make sure they're straight. Make sure you're not drinking. A lot of you have, your teeth are a little bit dull because you drink too much coffee. You drink too much soda pop and soda water and all that stuff. And unfortunately, the enamel on your teeth is starting to diminish. So your teeth just don't look that white, okay? So that's one thing. Another thing, your breath. Whew, Jesus Christ. Look, let's talk about your breath. Let me tell you something here. Let me break something down to you. Now, this might sound very trivial. It's very important. People do not want to do business with, or they don't want to make love to you or kiss you with nasty breath or talk to you. Okay? Your breath becomes a distraction. And I get it. When you first wake up in the morning, you're like, oh, I can have... No. When you get up in the morning, go brush your teeth. I mean, kissing on your girl or kissing on your guy with nasty breath? That's insane. Like, women, when you get up, go take care of your mouth. Nobody wants to smell your nasty breath. No one. Okay? So, check it out. I want you folks to begin and understand that you got to take care of your mouth, okay? Your teeth. Where's my parking spot? Oh, here it is. Okay? Are you with me so far? Now, that's going to be the end of it. I got to go to the gym. But listen, over the years, they have set me apart. Oh, another thing. Let me give you one more. Hold on. Oh, wow. Hold on. Let me give you one more. Okay, when you walk, and this is the big one here. Oh man. Hold on. I'm super cold, guys. Trying to park this animal real quickly. Come on. Oh, this guy must be outside the... You know what, man? I'm not gonna be able to park right here. This guy's parked too close here. So let me give you one more, okay? Let me give you one more here. When you walk, okay? When you walk. You know how to walk, correct? So when you walk, make sure you walk with certainty, okay? I'm sorry it's dark. I'm in this garage here, okay? Let me know if you guys are getting value here. When you walk, make sure that you're walking with certainty, okay? That means shoulders are back, head up. I teach my son to do this, okay? When you walk around the planet, make sure you walk as if you're going somewhere, okay? Make sure your shoulders is back. There's so many people, when they walk, they're looking at the ground. When they walk, they have a grimace on their face. Put a smile on your face, okay? When you walk around, you going to the store, you going to the job, you're going to work, you're going to the opportunity, you're going to the gym. Walk with shoulders back, chest down, with a smile on your face. Now, it takes practice, but it sets you apart. People would tend to look at you. People would tend to gaze at you and say, wow, who is that person? Wow, they look happy. What is it about them? And this happens very unconsciously. Does that make sense? So I'm done. I love you guys. If you got any value, comment below. You got value. Feel free to tag anybody below. Watch this again. Okay? Watch this again so you can ram this in the back of your mind here. And remember, in life, you don't get what you want. You get what you picture. This is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated, let go!